and I just hope that everybody is having a good time, staying safe, and staying inside and keeping healthy, not driving everybody too crazy. I thought I would come out here and I would show you guys my nature walk this morning. Hopefully you like to see it. So here we go. All right. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can find any birds out here in Santa Cruz. Going out. I think this is a lagoon. Not sure. It's not quite a lake. A river, maybe. Creek. There's one ducky. 2 ducks. And a lot of water. See down there's a couple ducks. Here's one right here. This little guy, I think his name is Fred. Everyone say hi, Fred. No, he doesn't want to talk to us. Some more ducks out here. All right. None of the ducks seem to want to talk to us right now. Alright, let's go walking back. You guys can see my walk back. So, yeah. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of my morning. Hopefully. Alright, and the walk back. It's always so much fun. We're going to just follow along this creek here on our adventure. It's not as fun without you guys following me here. Not like our nature walks at school, where we get to go out on our beautiful path. Keep your eyes open, make sure nothing jumps out at us. Ooh, I'll see if I could take you guys down to where we used to pick blackberries when I was little. When I was your guys' age, we used to come out here in the mornings and pick blackberries. Let's see if we can find them. Guys, make sure to keep your dogs on the leash, okay, everybody? Alright, let's go. Some nice greenery out here. What have you guys been doing to keep busy? You guys been coloring, doing a lot of art, a lot of indoor activities? We are almost there. We are almost to the blackberry spot. Bear with me, guys. Haven't seen any tigers yet, but they could be out here. Maybe some water tigers. Okay, here is the blackberry bush. Let's see if there's any blackberries on it. Oh, looks like they're all dried up. I used to come out here every morning, pick all the blackberries. You gotta be careful for the thorns though. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed our walk, and just stay safe. Make sure to wash your hands, stay inside. I hope everybody's being healthy, like I said earlier. And you gotta make sure that you still get outside a little bit and see the sun. Maybe in the backyard. Make everybody play some games with you. Play with some monster trucks. Maybe you have a sandbox. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.